Hi, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will teach you about how to get more energy on Hat Trick Temu. Make sure to watch all the way through to not miss a single step. Temu is one of the e-commerce platforms out there to offer many discounts and coupons regularly. One of the ways to get that is by playing or accessing certain features to have a special reward, free shipping, free stuff, or a big discount. If you access it, you will be limited by a certain number of energy to play it. So, there is one way to maximize your opportunity and stack your luck. It is called Energy Hat Trick. It is happened when you reverse to your friend via invitation link or from your referral code. It can be done for 3 times a day to maximize your luck. Don't waste this good opportunity. And that's it. Thank you for watching and good luck.